Hi, this is a very interesting incident that happened in the year 2007 during an cricket ODI match between India and Australia in Hyderabad. Brad Hogg, a slow left-arm chinaman bowler, actually dismissed Sachin Tendulkar for 43, and India, of course, eventually lost the game. They had to make 291, but they couldn't. After the match, Hogg, still riding high on his success, asked Tendulkar for his autograph on the cricket ball. And guess what happened? Instead of just signing his name, Tendulkar actually wrote, "This will never happen again, Hoggy." Think about it, you know. Tendulkar, full of confidence, makes this bold statement. And guess what? He sticks to his word. From then on, whether in international matches or even in the IPL, Tendulkar never again falls victim to, Hogg's tricky bowling. It's like he's made a promise to himself and was very determined to, keep it. What's the takeaway here? It's all about believing in yourself and actually staying determined. Tendulkar's unwavering confidence actually teaches us that you can actually tackle any challenge if you have the right mindset. Whether you're aiming to be a cricket superstar or just trying to ace your exams, Tendulkar's story actually shows us that self-belief is the key to success. Now, let's bring this lesson to the corporate world and everyday life. The first lesson I have is, believe in yourself. Like Tendulkar, trusting your abilities is very, very essential. Whether working on a challenging project or chasing your dreams, having confidence in yourself can help you overcome those obstacles. The second learning is keep growing. Tendulkar's determination to improve shows us the importance of learning and growing. In the corporate world, always being willing to learn new things and take on challenges is very, very crucial for success. The third learning is set goals. Tendulkar's promise to himself reminds us of the power of setting goals. Clear goals can give you direction in your career and also your personal life. The fourth lesson is bounce back. Despite setbacks, Tendulkar focused on his goal. In the corporate world and in life, resilience and learning from failures can actually help you come back stronger. The fifth lesson I have is inspire others. Tendulkar's determination inspired countless people. In your own life, being a positive role model and encouraging others can lead to collective success. So next time you face a tough challenge, I think you should think of Tendulkar. Believe in yourself, stay determined, and who knows, you might hit it out of the park like the little master himself. So, are you ready to take something out of this? I'm sure you are. And that's all I have in this video. Please do like this video by clicking the like button. And also do subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you will get notified as and when a new video is posted. Thank you very much and bye-bye.